So the payment authorization is just explaining how the insurance company is going to pay the homeowner and the homeowner is going to pay the contractor. Customer responsibility, the homeowner has to understand the deductible is something the client pays to the contractor as well as the upgrades. None of this is going to be covered by the insurance, and this is just standard with any policy. You're responsible for your deductible, you're responsible for the cost of any upgrades.